So I want to figure out the tension in each cable knowing I have 900 newtons acting straight down there. So again, I'll just draw my free body diagram on the picture there just to make it a little bit more clear. So I've got FB over here, I've got FC over there, and I've got FD right there. So now that I've got the free body diagram, I'm going to go through and write each force in Cartesian form. Okay, FB is very simple. It's all in the x direction, so I just say FB in the I direction. FC is in the XY plane, so 0 will be in the Z direction. I notice as a 3, 4, 5 triangle, negative 3/5 in the I and positive 4/5 in the J. FD is all in the YZ plane, so none of that will be in the X direction. And then I've got a 3, 4, 5 triangle where I've got negative 3/5 FD in the J, in the J, and plus 4/5 in the K direction. Then, of course, I've got my, I'll just call it my weight, but that's my 900 newtons. This is given in newtons. I don't need to do any conversion factors on this one. It is a force, but it's going to be negative 900 K. And again, now that I've got my free body diagram, I've got all my forces written in Cartesian form, and I just sum up my x, y's, and z's and set them equal to 0. So that's going to be FB minus 3/5 FC equals 0. Those are all the forces in the x direction. Fy equals 4/5 FC minus 3/5 FD. I believe that's it. Equals 0. And then in the z direction, I've got 4/5 FD minus 900 equals 0. Okay, so now I could actually solve this one kind of piecewise, right? Because I have this equation right here that only has one unknown in it. I have 3 equations, 3 unknowns, as I usually do, but the algebra is a little bit more simple on this one. So from this, I can find that FD equals 1125 newtons. Then I can take that, plug it into this equation right here, find FC, and it's equal to 843.75 newtons. Okay, now that I know FC, I can come up here and find FB, which is going to be 506.25 newtons. So again, free body diagram, write each force in Cartesian form, then sum up your x, sum up your y, sum up your z, set them equal to 0 because I'm in equilibrium, and then solve the equations. Either this one you can do by hand pretty easily, or using an equation solver of some sort on a calculator or online.